Hello, learners and my colleagues. Let's solve this question. We are told that this line, which is 2x minus 3y equals 9, and a point which is 4 negative 1. We are to find lines through the point that are 1 parallel to the given line, and the second question perpendicular to it. So let's start with the parallel. So solution. Let's solve this. Very, very simple. Remember, power lines have the same gradients. They have the same gradients. So any two lines which are parallel, meaning they're having the same gradients. So first of all, for us to solve this, we have to rearrange this into the slope intercept form. So the slope intercept form. So you have now come to what? Rearrange it into this slope interval, which is y equals mx plus c. So we are come to arrange this equation of the line into the slope intercept form. So 2x minus 3y equals 9. So we are going to make y the subject here. So we have negative 3y equals, we are going to move the 2x into the right side of the equation, which will be 9. Let's now raise to 9 minus 2x. Since we want it to be in this form, we have to write it as this. Minus 2x have to come first. There's positive, so positive 9. Still, we have to make y the subject. There's negative 3 here, so you have to divide 2 by negative 3. So our y becomes negative becomes positive. Negative will do away with negative. So 2 over 3x, 9 divided by negative 3 will give us negative 3. So negative 3. So we have rearranged it into the slope intercept form. Why did we do that? To get the slope of the line. So y equals mx plus c. So c is negative 3. Your m is what? 2 over 3. So our m, that's our slope, is, or our gradient is 2 over 3. Now we are going to plug in our 2 over 3 in the point slope formula. So we are going to use our point slope formula to get the line which is parallel to this line. So let's write our formula. So let me write point slope form. So we are going to use the point slope form, which is y minus y1 equals m x minus x1. Y, which is constant, y minus y1 is negative 1. So negative 1. Our gradient is 2 over 3. Remember, I said the gradients are the same. That's why I didn't change anything. So the gradient is the same. That's why I'm using the same gradient. X minus x1 is 4. Negative, we are going to get positive. So y plus 1 equals 2 over 3 times x will give 2 over 3x. 2 over 3 times negative 4 will give us negative 8 over 3. Now you have to make y the side. So 1 will move to this side. So to y equals 2 over 3x minus 8 over 3 minus 1. So negative 8 over 3 minus 1 will give us negative 11. So 2 over 3x negative 11 over 3. That's when you solve negative 8 over 3 minus 1, we're going to get negative 11 over 3. So this is our answer for A. So the line, so these two lines are parallel. These two lines, this line and this line, they are parallel and they are having the same gradients. as 2/3. Now let's solve B. They said perpendicular, perpendicular. So let's solve B. Let me wipe this one off to get space to be able to solve the B. Okay, so the B. It said perpendicular, perpendicular to it. Remember, when we rearrange this, we had y equals 2/3x plus, minus 3. So that was what our slope intercept form. That's our slope intercept form. Now they say perpendicular to it. Remember perpendicular, when you want to find perpendicular, our gradient is 2/3 here. When you want to find a line which is perpendicular, the gradient is not the same as the parallel. For that one, the gradient you are going to swap or you are going to flip. You are going to flip this one so the 3 will go to the top, will be the numerator, and the 2 will come down. After doing that, then you negate it. So to get the gradient, it will be what? M equals 3/2. Then you negate it. So this is the gradient you are going to use to get the perpendicular line, the line which is perpendicular to this line. So we are going to use the point slope form to get the line which is perpendicular to this line. Okay, so our y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. Y which is constant, y1 which is y1 is -1. Our m here is -3/2. X minus x1 which is 4. So negative becomes positive. So -3/2, we are going to expand this to x. -3/2 times -4 will give you positive 12/2. So what are you going to do? You are going to move the y, the 1, You are going to move this positive 1 to this side, the right side of the equation. So y equals -3/2x plus 12/2 minus 1. 12/2 is what? 6. 6 minus 1 will give you what? 5. So our equation therefore is -3/2x plus 5. So this line is perpendicular to this line. Remember perpendicular lines, their gradient, you are going to flip the reference gradient, you are going to flip it, then you negate it. Thank you very much. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, The Maths Liberator. Thank you guys for watching.